On my last video, Digi Cool Things made a comment about the chip on the PCB. Now, as I don't throw a lot of things away, as you can see, my collection of ping pong balls, my collection of USB leads, and then coming further down the pile is a collection of old PCBs. We take that out, and here we have the board in question. If I zoom in, there's the IC in question, HD63A01. And I think he also mentioned that there was the crystal. Sorry about this, but I'm holding it on a phone. So they've got to come off, and I've got to make a retro computer with them. So thank you for giving me this task, Digi Cool Things. So pop over to my channel, subscribe, hit the like button, click on the notification bell for other videos like this.